Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine being able to bring your most vibrant ideas to life with precision and speed. And that's exactly what the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-240 24-inch large format printer promises to deliver. As a tech enthusiast, I'm excited to share with you my hands-on experience with this impressive device. So let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about speed. With the new LCOA Pro 2 processor, the imagePROGRAF TM series is approximately 30% faster than previous models, with a speed of up to 3.2 ppm for a 24 by 36-inch sheet. This means you can produce high-quality prints in no time, making it perfect for businesses, architects, engineers, and graphic designers who need to meet tight deadlines. I've seen this firsthand in my testing, where I was able to quickly print out a large batch of posters for an event, and the results were stunning. The speed and efficiency of this printer will undoubtedly boost your productivity and help you stay ahead of the curve. Another key feature that caught my attention is the high-density 6-channel PF06 printhead. With a maximum resolution of 2400 by 1200 dpi and a total of 15,360 nozzles laying down 5 picoliter-sized ink droplets, this printer is able to produce clean lines and text, which result in sharp detail and excellent image quality. Whether you're printing technical drawings, posters, or signage, the level of precision and clarity is unparalleled. I was particularly impressed by the fine lines and details that this printer was able to produce, making it perfect for applications where accuracy is paramount. Now, let's talk about the ink set. The imagePROGRAF TM-240 features a 5-color ink set with a newly formulated magenta cartridge, which is not only UV and water resistant, but also produces fine lines and sharp text. When combined with water-resistant media, you get printed documents that can withstand many outdoor conditions, making it perfect for creating outdoor poster displays, store signs, and even construction site signage. I've tested this feature by printing out a few posters and leaving them outside, and I was impressed by how well they held up against the elements.